Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever wonder about the incredible diversity of our feathered friends? It's truly mind-boggling. Globally, scientists estimate there are around 10,000 to 11,000 different bird species. That's a staggering number, each with its own unique beauty and role in our ecosystems. But how do so many species manage to share the same spaces and resources? It's a masterclass in coexistence. Many birds have specialized diets, meaning they eat different things. A hawk might hunt small mammals, while a hummingbird sips nectar, and a woodpecker drills for insects. This reduces direct competition. They also often occupy different niches. Some birds nest in tall trees, others in shrubs, and some even burrow underground. This spatial separation allows them to thrive without constantly bumping into each other. Furthermore, many species have developed intricate communication signals, from songs to calls, that help them recognize their own kind and avoid unnecessary conflict with others. It's a delicate balance, a testament to nature's ingenuity. Isn't it amazing how so many different lives can flourish together? Thanks for joining me on this quick dive into the world of birds. If you enjoyed this, feel free to follow for more fascinating insights.